This a video of the C10 we picked up the other day. We done started on the drivetrain the other day. Installed the motor, transmission, had the drive shaft modified. We have it wired up. Installed the headers. A new sending unit. Got the fuel pump, regulator. Fuel pump, fuel filter. She about ready for the cab now. We put ourselves on a 30-day deadline on this one. There was one we picked up that was had a electrical fire to it. Completely burned the cab out. Burned the front clip off. We should have a cab back on it next week. Waiting on some front end parts. We're gonna redo the suspension. It got pretty hot. But this one we're rebuilding the sail. So we'll put a price on it shortly once we're done with it. It's a 5.3 with a 4L60. All stock fuel injection. We're gonna have digital dash and new interior, new paint job. We'll post another video shortly.